Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a bonus type. Please go to Bonuses and Accruals setup and select bonus types. Add a new one. First thing you need to provide is code. It can be named after your customer agreement. Then you need to decide whether your bonus is a recurring one or not. If it is, then you need to provide starting and ending date formulas for the recurring period. So let's assume it recurs every month. That means the starting date will be increased by 1 month, and the ending date will be increased by 1 month plus the end of current month. That will help us define bonuses which start on the first day of a particular month and end at the ending date, the last day of the particular month. Next thing is settlement method. How to settle the bonus? We can settle with a document or we can settle with nothing. Settlement method none is helpful when we calculate bonuses in Business Central but settle in some other system. However, if we want to develop our custom settlement method, it's also possible. So you need to ask your developer to prepare an extension of Bonuses and Accruals application with your own settlement method. Our application is ready for that. The next tab contains the information about the calculation of the bonus. It can be calculated based on sales amount or sales quantity. So if we have a sales line with one piece with $1,000, then sales amount means that we take $1,000 as a bonus base. Sales quantity would mean that it's one piece that should be taken as a base. Calculation method tells us how to convert the base into the bonus amount. It can be by applying a percentage, or it can be by a fixed amount per each unit of the base. Threshold selection. It can be progressive or highest. So on a single bonus card, we can have multiple thresholds. Above zero, above $1,000, above $500,000, we can have an increasing percentage per each threshold. So if we have one big transaction, it goes through multiple thresholds. If we want the bonus to be calculated progressively, proportionally, we select progressive calculation. So we will receive bonus amount in each threshold accordingly. On the other hand, we have a highest threshold selection possible, which means that when we reach certain threshold, all the bonus transactions, all the transactions that are included in a bonus card are calculated according to the highest thresholds. Exclude discounts gives us the opportunity to lower the bonus base. The calculation base can be lowered by the discount amount. So by default, we include the discounts granted on a document level. The Accruals tab contains the information about the optional feature of Bonuses and Accruals application, which is posting the accruals. We can post the accruals to General Ledger When we select that, we post. We can select if we post to the inventory. So we have the option to adjust the item ledger by the amounts that we post to the GL. We need to provide a posting group in this section. We have a default posting group assigned. However, there is no accrual information provided in the last 3 columns. So it means we shouldn't post accruals in this scenario. If you want to learn more about accruals, see the How to Enable Accruals video. Next, there is the Settlement tab, which gives us more details about the settlement. Since we can have multiple settlements in a single bonus card, we have the opportunity to group the bonus entries into settlements, and we can do it by sell to customer and currency. The source currency of a transaction versus threshold currency, and sell to customer versus bill to customer, and all the combinations. It gives you the flexibility to settle per your specific scenario. Group settlement lines. How the result lines should be created, whether there should be a single line or the lines on a settlement document should be created per dimension set and VAT product posting group. Settlement document type. Sales credit memo or purchase invoice. So if we want to decrease our sales amount, we use sales credit memo. If we want to increase our cost, we use purchase invoice. Settlement document line type can be GL account, charge item, and resource. If we decide on one of them, we need to provide the detail, what exactly item charge should be used. And last but not least, we have the option to provide the settlement line description. So we have covered all the options and we are ready to create bonus cards.